Hi guys, hi boys and girls, how are you? So listen, I've been working on kindness rocks and I thought I'd share that with you. All you need is two things, a rock and Sharpies. You could substitute the Sharpies for paints, markers, but I find that Sharpies work great. And the rocks, you can do any size rock you like. They don't have to be flat. Anything will work. And basically what you want to do is write a kind message for anyone. You just kind of leave the little rocks around and in hopes of having somebody find them and it'll brighten their day. In my case, I'm leaving them for my mail carrier. He or she works very hard in delivering my mail. So I thought, hey, why not brighten his or her day when they come to my mailbox and see a little message. So today I've worked on thank you, my little favorite, have a nice day, and the one that I just finished is you rock. As you can see, it's just Sharpie. Write your little message, decorate it, and place it in a spot where you want that special someone to see your message. Have a great day and be creative, because I know you can be.